If you're looking to leverage referral partnerships and boost your digital marketing game, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use PartnerStack for referral partnerships, whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher on how to get started. Stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing an exclusive bonus that will help you make the most of PartnerStack with an extended free trial. PartnerStack is a powerful tool designed to simplify referral partnerships. Whether you're looking to manage affiliates, partners, or resellers, PartnerStack gives you everything you need to set up and scale referral programs with ease. But how do you actually use it to get results? Let's dive in. First, once you sign up for PartnerStack, you'll be able to set up your referral program quickly. The platform has a clean, easy-to-navigate interface that lets you configure all the settings for your partnerships. After you've signed up, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can manage partners, track sales, and monitor your progress. You'll also be able to customize your program to suit your specific business needs, which is ideal if you want to target different kinds of affiliates. To get started, create a new campaign in the Programs section. PartnerStack lets you create a variety of campaigns, whether it's for a simple affiliate program or a more complex partner network. You'll be able to define the type of reward you want to offer, like cash bonuses, revenue share, or other incentives. The platform also supports automatic payouts, so partners don't need to chase down payments. They get paid right on time. Now let's talk about onboarding partners. PartnerStack streamlines this process. You can create a branded partner portal, where your affiliates or referral partners can easily sign up and track their performance. This makes it super simple for them to start promoting your product or service. Plus, you can automatically send out training resources and promotional materials through the portal, so your partners are set up for success from day one. Tracking performance is one of the best features of PartnerStack. You can see who's sending the most traffic, who's converting the best, and how much commission they've earned. You can also set up automated reporting to get insights into how your campaigns are doing. PartnerStack integrates with tools like Google Analytics, so it's easy to measure the impact of your referral partnerships on your overall marketing strategy. When it comes to managing partners, the platform allows you to easily add new affiliates or partners and set up their permissions. You can assign specific campaigns to partners and tailor the experience for them. For example, you could give high-performing partners access to special offers or advanced tracking features. Another great aspect of PartnerStack is that it's fully scalable. Whether you're just starting with a few referral partners or managing a large network of affiliates, the platform grows with your business. You can create multiple programs and campaigns, each with different structures and reward systems, so everything is perfectly aligned with your business goals. So, to sum it up, PartnerStack helps you set up referral programs, manage and track performance, and scale your partner network, all from one intuitive platform. It's a great tool for anyone looking to streamline their referral partnerships and grow their business through digital marketing. And before I go, remember that if you use the first link below, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial of PartnerStack, so you can start using all these features without any upfront cost. Don't miss out on this offer. It's the perfect time to dive into referral partnerships and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.